The good news about Jesus has come to John chapter 17 from verse 20 to verse 26. Jesus pray for everybody we are going to believe. Me not pray for them follower one. Me a pray for them we are going to believe in me when they hear what them follower say. Father, me pray say all of them come together in a one. Same like how you live in a me and me live in a you. And me pray too, so them will live in a me and you, so that the world and them can believe say you send me come. Me give them the whole heap of respect you they give me, so that they can come one, just like how me and you are one. Me in a them and you in a me, so them can come in like a one. And so the people them in the world might know say you send me come, and that you love me follower them same like how you love me. Father, I want the people them where you give me for the anywhere me there, so that they can see the whole heap of respect where you give me. Cause you love me from before the world did make. Father, wherever do right, even though the people them in the world don't know you, me know you. And them people you know say you send me come here. Me make them know you. And me go and make them know you. So that they might can love them one another. Same like how you did love me. And so me can live in them. A God Wod Dis. Thank God.